Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to share something very personal yet powerful. It's a topic many couples shy away from: male performance and erection health after the age of 60. As a loving wife, I want to open up about how my husband is still able to keep his penis hard, naturally, even in his 60s, without the use of pills like Viagra. This isn't a medical video. It's a real story, with real tips that work. So if you or your partner are over 60 and wondering, is my SEXTH life over? Then stay tuned. Because it absolutely isn't. The truth about aging and erections. Let's start with the truth. As men age, testosterone levels drop and blood flow decreases. That can lead to weaker erections or erectile dysfunction. But here's the good news. There are natural and proven methods to maintain and even improve erection quality. And my husband is proof. Number 1. Daily walking boosts blood flow. My husband walks every single day, just 30 to 45 minutes. Why is this so important? It improves blood circulation, which is key to hard erections. It keeps his heart healthy. It reduces belly fat, which is linked to lower testosterone. We go on walks together, and it not only boosts health, it boosts intimacy too. Number 2. He does Kegel exercises. Yes, men can and should do Kegels too. These are simple exercises to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, the ones responsible for controlling erections and ejaculation. Here's how he does them. He squeezes the muscles as if trying to stop the flow of urine. He holds for 5 seconds, then releases. 3 sets of 10 reps, twice a day. Results? After just 4 weeks, I noticed a stronger, longer-lasting erection. And he felt more in control during SEXTH. Zinc and magnesium boosters. My husband started adding foods rich in zinc and magnesium, 2 minerals crucial for testosterone and SEXTH health. He eats pumpkin seeds, almonds, spinach, dark chocolate, shellfish, especially oysters rich in zinc. We also checked with his doctor and added a natural zinc supplement, 30 milligrams daily. Within a month, his energy and drive increased. Limiting alcohol and quitting smoking. We used to enjoy a nightly glass of wine, but he cut it down to weekends only. And he completely stopped smoking years ago. Both alcohol and tobacco can damage blood vessels and reduce erection strength. When he quit smoking, the difference in blood flow was amazing. 11 o'clock. Tip number 5. Regular testosterone checks. After age 60, it's smart to check testosterone levels yearly. We visited his doctor, did a simple blood test, and yes, his testosterone was lower than ideal. His doctor recommended lifestyle changes before considering medication. That's when we focused even harder on diet, exercise, and stress control. After 6 months, his levels improved naturally. 1300 hours. Tip number 6. Sex routine and foreplay. Another tip is building a SEXTH rhythm. We don't rush it. We've discovered the importance of foreplay. Kissing, touching, teasing. Mental connection. Laughing and relaxing together before intimacy. Scheduling intimacy. Morning SEXTH works best for him. Testosterone is higher. We no longer worry about performance. We focus on connection. That mindset change helped his erections more than any pill. 1530. Tip number 7. Herbs and natural remedies. After researching safe options, we introduced a few herbal supplements. Ashwagandha reduces stress, boosts testosterone. L-arginine improves blood flow. Ginseng, energy and SEXTH stamina. We bought only trusted brands, confirmed with a doctor, and introduced one at a time. Results were gradual but noticeable. Within 6 weeks, his erection quality improved. Firmer, faster, and longer lasting. 1800 hours. Tip number 8. Avoiding porn, focusing on me. He stopped watching adult videos. Why? Because overstimulation from porn can desensitize men and weaken erections. Instead, he focuses on real, emotional connection with me. That change brought new excitement, anticipation, and natural arousal. 2000 hours. Tip number 9. Mindfulness and stress control. Stress is a killer of erections. So he started. Morning deep breathing, 5 minutes. Listening to calming. Avoiding overworking. Expressing feelings. Once he reduced stress, everything, including his erections, improved. 2200 hours. Tip number 10. Plenty of sleep. Sleep is when the body heals and produces testosterone. He makes sure to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Avoid screens before bed. Use a sleep mask to block light. With better sleep came better morning erections. 2400 hours. Our results. Stronger, natural, intimate sex life. After all these changes, here's what happened. His erections are natural and firm. We are closer emotionally than ever. Our SEXDH life is active, joyful, and satisfying. And no, he never needed blue pills. 26:00. Advice to couples over 60. To all couples out there, don't give up. Age doesn't mean the end of your intimate life. It can mean a new, more meaningful chapter. Here's my final advice. Communicate openly. Support each other. Be patient with changes. Enjoy the journey. It's never too late to reignite your passion. Naturally, lovingly, and with your health in mind. 28:00. Conclusion and call to action. If this video helped you, please like and share it with someone who needs this message. Leave a comment. What tips worked for you or your partner after 60? Don't forget to subscribe for more real, life-changing tips on health, love, and happiness after 50. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep the spark alive. Red Heart.